Welcome to our exploration of the untapped potential of African real estate investing. It's not just about growing money, it's about securing your future. And there's no place with more untapped potential than African real estate. Imagine vibrant economies, a burgeoning middle class, and rapid urbanization. That's Africa today. This continent is ripe with opportunity for those bold enough to seize it. Now, I'm not saying it's a guaranteed win. Every investment carries risk. But with smart strategies, you can navigate this market and unlock incredible returns. This isn't just about getting rich. It's about becoming part of a transformative story. This is about investing in a continent on the rise. Remember, knowledge is power. And in the world of real estate, that knowledge translates into real wealth. So let's dive in and explore how you can make the most of this exciting frontier. Get ready to discover the strategies that can turn your investment dreams into a tangible reality. Are you ready to unlock the potential of African real estate? Let's get started. Before you put down a single dollar, you need to understand risk. What are the political and economic factors in the region you're considering? What are the legal frameworks for property ownership? Don't just skim the surface, dig deep. Talk to local experts, study market trends, and get a feel for the regulatory landscape. Next, consider the specific property itself. What's the condition? What are the potential maintenance costs? Is there a reliable tenant base if you're looking at rental income? These are all critical questions that directly impact your investment's risk profile. Remember, a well-informed investor is a protected investor. Don't let fear paralyze you. Risk is inherent in any investment, but by diligently assessing and understanding it, you can mitigate potential downsides and make smarter choices. This is about calculated risks, not reckless gambles. It's about empowering yourself with the knowledge to make informed decisions. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Diversification is key to mitigating risk and maximizing returns. Now, this doesn't just mean investing in different properties. It means exploring different sectors within the real estate market. Consider residential, commercial, industrial, and even specialized sectors like hospitality or healthcare. Think about geographic diversification too. Don't limit yourself to one city or even one country. Explore different regions within Africa, each with its own growth trajectory and unique opportunities. By spreading your investments across different property types and locations, you create a safety net against market fluctuations in any one area. Remember, diversification isn't about complexity. It's about spreading your risk wisely. It's about creating a balanced portfolio that can weather market storms and deliver consistent returns over time. Diversification is a fundamental principle of smart investing, and it's especially crucial in a dynamic market like African real estate. Section 4. Strategies for maximizing returns market analysis. Understanding market trends is crucial. What are the demographic shifts happening in your target region? Is there a growing demand for specific types of properties? What are the current and projected rental yields? This is where your research skills come into play. Look beyond the obvious. Consider factors like infrastructure development, government policies, and even cultural shifts that can impact real estate values. Remember, successful real estate investment is about anticipating future demand, not just following current trends. Stay informed, use reputable sources, consult with local experts, and attend industry events. Knowledge is power, especially in a constantly evolving market like real estate. By diligently analyzing market trends, you can position yourself to make strategic investments that yield maximum returns. Section 5. Conclusion. Your journey to real estate mastery. Investing in African real estate is more than just a financial decision. It's an opportunity to be part of a continent on the rise. It's about contributing to economic growth and creating tangible change. But remember, success requires more than just enthusiasm. It demands knowledge, diligence, and a strategic approach. Embrace risk assessment as your shield, wield diversification as your sword, and let market analysis be your compass. These are the tools that will guide you towards maximizing returns and achieving your investment goals. Remember, your journey to real estate mastery starts with a single step. So what are you waiting for? The time to invest in Africa is now. Take the knowledge you've gained, apply it wisely, and watch your investment dreams become a reality. Remember, fortune favors the bold, but wisdom rewards the informed.